Welcome. In front of me is a REALME 8i, and today I will show you how to format your SD card. So to get started, you will want to open up Settings. From here, scroll down to Storage. Again, scroll down and you'll find your SD card at the bottom. And once you tap on it, you will have the option to format it. So click on Format SD. It gives you a message that all data on the SD card will be erased. So let's confirm it by tapping on Format SD card. Now read the text. It gives you the same message basically once more. So again, tap on Format SD card. This begins the process, which takes a couple seconds. And there we go, it's already finished. So click on OK and you're done. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.